Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I personally remove my nail extensions at home. Now, people who love getting nail extensions done like me, I do it every month. I get my nail extensions done every month, okay? Now, let me tell you what is permanent nail extensions. Now, what I do is permanent nail extension. For example, the first month you go and get your nail extensions done, that nail extension is going to last for 3 months, okay? But every month you need to refill it. Now, what is refilling? Let me show you this. Can you see this, which is grown here? The nail is grown, okay? So this is refilling. So it is grown and you need to refill it, okay? So I need to refill it now. But it's been 3 months already, so every 3 months you need to change your nail extension, okay? Now, if this wasn't the third month, I would have, somehow refilled it, but just because my inner you can see the nail has grown already, so I need to remove it totally and then get a permanent extension done again, and that is going to last for another 3 months, and it is still very strong and sturdy enough, okay? Okay, so extensions anyway charge you around 2,200 to 3,000 rupees for extensions, the first month extension, and then if you're going for refilling, then it will charge you around 1,500 1,800 rupees for a refill, okay? Now, if you want to remove your extensions, totally, you need to remove the total thing. It charges 500 rupees at any nail studios or any nail bars or wherever you get your nail extensions done. So I find it a little expensive, because just to remove your nails you're going to pay 500 rupees. Of course, they have their own equipments and machines to remove it faster, but they use the same procedure what I use it here, what I'll be using it here and showing it to you people. It is time consuming if you are doing it at home, but at nail studios or nail bars or wherever it is, they charge 500 rupees because for the equipments what they use, and it gets little faster. Like here it will take around 40 minutes to 1 hour. There it takes like around 35 minutes to 40 minutes. So they use their two machines, they just buff it off, but we need to use a buffer and then buff it. So that's the difference, guys. But I don't find a point of investing 500 rupees just to remove the nail extensions. So it's better you do it at home. And at this lockdown situation, I don't think any studios are open for you to go and remove your nail extensions. And after third month of your extensions, and if you find it is grown, okay, the nails is been grown, and you find this gap, you need to totally remove it, guys. You cannot keep it for a longer time. It is not good, it is not hygiene at all, okay? So at a safer side, you have to remove your nail extensions, okay? Let me quickly tell you what all the things you will require to remove your nail extensions, okay? The first thing you will require is an acetone. Acetone is nothing but a nail paint remover. You will require a nail cutter, nail file, okay, a nail file, a nail buffer, and aluminum sheet. This is the sheet what you usually use at kitchen. Let me show you that also. A normal aluminum sheet, okay? I have cut into square so it's more convenient, okay? I have 10 pieces of this and 10 pieces of cotton, which is cut into a square shape, okay? Okay, the first thing is trimming of the nails. So I'll be using the nail cutter. I'll just show you, okay? As you can see, first I'll be cutting off totally, okay? I'll be trimming it. It's a basic trim, guys. So I'll just trim it first and then show you. As you can see, I've trimmed it. The same way I'll be trimming all of the nails and then coming back, okay? Okay, so I have done trimming all the nail. You can see I've trimmed it totally. Okay, so now the next step is I'll be buffing them off, okay? So I'll just show you, okay? can see this. Okay. Okay, so you can just see I have made it rough according to this. Okay, if you don't have a buff, you can use a nail file as well. So it has to be like that. The shine has to go completely. Okay, so it's easy to remove it with the nail paint remover. Okay, so I'll finish all of them and I'll be back. Okay, so I'll just show you. I have done making it rough. Okay, there is no shine. Okay, how you nail shape your nail, same way you just have to do it on the nail. Okay, now the next step is taking a cotton pad. Okay, you can use a cotton pad if you have. Okay, I'll be using the acetone. So what I will be doing is taking the acetone in the cotton. You need to take a good amount of acetone on your cotton. Okay, so what I'll be doing is placing the cotton like this. Okay, and after placing the cotton like this, you need to take a foil paper and cover it like this. Okay, same way to all of the fingers. Okay, I will do all of them and then come back. Okay, so I am done. So here it is. This is how you're supposed to do. Now you're supposed to wait for 40 minutes and after that we'll open it and we'll see if the extensions have removed or not. Okay. Okay, so 40 minutes is done. So let's see if the nail extensions are totally melted and it is going to come off or not. Okay, we'll just see. You need to use a nail file for it to just check. See, you can see. 1 minute. Can you see now? That it's coming off. Okay. Okay, so you saw the thumb finger. Okay, a very little is still there. So I will put back the cap what was made for it. Okay, we'll be putting it back so that let it melt a little more, and we'll just check with the forefinger one. Okay. Okay, so this still needs time. So let's give this little time. We'll put back the cap and press it. Okay. Okay, so we'll check the other finger. Okay, so we'll immediately take the nail file and just see if it's coming off. As you can see, it is coming off. Okay, so what I will do, okay, so the same way you have to remove it and you have to use your nail file, push it and take it out. Okay, and that is how you have to remove it, remove the nail extensions. Okay, so I will remove all of them and I will get back. Okay, so I am done taking it off totally. Okay, you can see this is how it is going to be. Okay, now what you have to do is you need to scrape it out. Yeah, so you will need a nail file and you will have to file it properly so that all those glue and things come out totally. Okay, so you need to shape it totally. There should not be any nail paint and things, and the nail surface has to become totally plain. Okay, till then you have to shape it. So I will shape all of them. I'll just show you how it looks now. Okay, the shaping is done, and I have done all the nails. I have filed all the nails. Okay, now you can see how it looks. Now the next step is, the important step is about the buffer. Okay, so in almost all the buffers you'll find 4 things. That is, first is the shape, second is smooth, third one is buff, and fourth one is polish. Okay, so we'll go accordingly. The sharp part is done already. I have done it. Okay, next is smooth. So we'll smoothen it, we'll buff it, and then we'll polish it, and then I will get back. Guys, so we are done. Okay, as you can see. Okay, nail extensions have totally gone. Okay, so last part is the buffer. That's it, guys. So I hope I have cleared all of the doubts, and I have shown you all the steps what I usually follow to remove my nail extensions. Now I think you can leave this for a day or two, and then you can go with your regular nail paints, but not for a day or two. Let it breathe air. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope this video is going to be helpful to you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep looking gorgeous. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.